Hello everyone, this is Akshara Sagar from class 10th B. I am here to tell something about the youth problems. Youth is not clearly definition, but it is the age between 15 and 24 years. This is declared by WHO. So we can say that the youth is an ambitious and the youth of our country is a precious resource. With their bright minds, with their expressive attitude, it is very clear that our youth bring us a remarkable future. But unfortunately, the today's youth is experiencing a variety of unusual health issues such as diabetes and cardiac disease and etc. There are some unusual habits that like smoking, high alcohol intake. This creates the major problem between the youth. These problems may affect the productivity and the future for our country. That includes many physical and mental problems. Today's youth. Obesity is being overweight is arising a big problem. The person who looks slim outside but having a overweightage around the abdominal seated around all the organ. It is very clear from clinical literature that excess amount of fat in abdominal leads to the health problems such as cardiac disease and diabetes. There is another problem that is depression. Depression and the suicide is leading a very big problem regarding the youths. The youth are suffering from this depression. It is understood that the 1 out of 5 people is of age group likely to be experiencing such problems. It is a form of mental illness which includes the mental depression, the eating disorder, and of course the suicidal thoughts. Violence is also rising. If you watches the news, you will come to know that the violence is declared by the WHO is the intention use of physical force or the power, which result in highly likelihood that leads to a injury and death and psychological harm and deprivation. Talking about the talking about the economic of India, economic sector, if no jobs will creation will take place, there is the social unrest will take place. Hence, we saw many problems regarding the employment, regarding the diseases, regarding the violence clashes between the persons leads to problems in front of you, such as unemployment, poor policing, political awareness, and of course, pending justice. Thank you for watching this video.